Hello and welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this tutorial we can discuss how to edit trending video black effect. First, open a Light Motion. And create new project. Add the media file. Adjust and add the black shape. Fill the composition area. First, add copy background effect and blend opacity. Select difference and click subtract and add Gaussian blur. Then increase the effect strength. Then add the final effect, expose and gamma, and decrease, expose, increase gamma and adjust gamma. Then adjust offset and finally export your video. I hope this video will be helping for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials.